Hello, I'm John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people, and welcome to today's virtual open home from Unit 388 bar 233 Cuba Street. Now we're doing a pre-recorded walkthrough today, just out of respect of the fact that we've had the incident recently with the mosque massacres in Christchurch and the live streaming on Facebook, so we're going to stay away from that for now. So in the meantime, please enjoy our walkthrough of Unit 388 bar 233 Cuba Street. Okay, so here we are, we're in the apartment. The beauty about this apartment is the fact that it's just got such a simple floor plan. It is brilliant. So let's have a look now. First of all, we'll look at the kitchen. I love the kitchen. It's a great size. It's got lots of storage. Beautiful, nice and clean finish to it all. And good appliances. And ultimately very smart on the eye. So that's very nice. And we'll pan around now, and we've got the living area. So plenty of space here. And one thing I should mention while I think of it, this apartment is 46 square metres, and I think it's great use of space. And then we've got up through here. Now before we go any further, I'm going to do this because I love it. Sliding doors are great use of space. They don't steal any space. They make the whole floor plan much more efficient. So this is the bedroom, and as you can see, we've got a great size bedroom here. Plenty of room. You could put a desk in here if you wanted to, but lots of space, lots and lots of space. And through to the other side, we've got a lovely big bathroom as well. So you'll see yourself visually, it's very smart, very clean and tidy. Just a great little apartment. And when it comes to night time, slide the door across if you wanted to. If you're here on your own, you probably don't feel that you need to, because you've got virtually a studio without it being a studio. But we'll go outside and have a look at the deck now. The deck is a feature in itself, mainly because of the size. I mean, it's a good sized deck. You can get a lot of people out here, not that you'd need to, but it's a good area. And the other thing which is really important is that you've got essentially windows right along this side, which lets in lots and lots and lots of natural light. So that's all very good. An excellent apartment, and as I've got on the headline, a little cutie. It really is very cute. Now the reasons why you would want to buy this apartment are, as I started off, the location. It's very, very central. It's right in the Cuba Street, right in downtown Te Aro. You've got everything around here that you need for work and for entertainment. So a location gets a big tick. It's a really nice, straightforward floor plan, very, very smart and pleasant on the eye, and very, very comfortable. So this apartment is on the market at buyer inquiry over $385,000. It has been sold by way of tender, if not sold prior. 46 square metres, one bedroom, one bathroom, central location. And we've got a tender date of the 1st of May at 3 o'clock. That's Wednesday the 1st of May, but it is tender if not sold prior. Now, other thing I need to tell you, which is really, really important, is that one, we've got a very comprehensive information pack that we can email you. So the information pack's on a Dropbox link, and we can email that to you like that. So just contact me and we'll get that sorted out. The other thing is that we're doing appointments here in the afternoon, so give us a call or a text and we'll arrange for you to come and have a look for your own private viewing. Another thing which is really important to know is that on Thursday at 5:30 this week, we will be doing an open home after work. So if you're free after work on Thursday, please come through. And further to that, we are also doing another open home at 1 o'clock on Sunday, which will be for 3/4 of an hour. So plenty of opportunities for you to come and see it for yourself. So there we have it. Thank you very much for tuning in today. It's great to see you again. This is John Kettle from Tommy's Real Estate, making open homes easy for busy people.